Good morning, people, and namaskara from Varkala. We have reached Varkala yesterday evening by around 4:30 from Munnar. It took about 6 hours of drive to reach here. Time is about 9:30. We are done with our breakfast. In today's video, we are going to explore Jatayu statue, which is 17 kilometers from our stay, and then we will head to Kappil Beach, and also we will explore the Varkala North Cliff Beach. So we will keep you posted about today's visits.
The journey takes about 1 hour for us to reach Jatayu. We wanted to actually do it before it gets too sunny, but unfortunately the place opens only at 10 a.m. in the morning, so we had to plan the Jatayu post 10. So our aim is to kind of reach it around 11:30 there and spend some time. We'll keep you posted once we kind of reach the destination.
We have reached Jatayu Center and we need to take a cable car which will take you on the top, and I think it should be around 3 or 5 minutes travel.
We could actually trek, but considering the heat here, it's a bad idea if you're doing it in the morning. Hence, we actually took the road car.
The first word that we said when we saw Jatayu was wow. Jatayu Earth Center is dedicated to women's safety and honor. It is built on a mighty rock named Jatayupura. It is 200 feet long, 150 feet wide, and 70 feet in height. This is what makes it the largest functional bird sculpture in the world.
The story begins when Rama and Sita were in exile in the forest. Sita was kidnapped by Ravana. During this time, Jatayu, a vulture, tried to rescue Sita from the clutches of Ravana. Despite fighting bravely, he was unable to rescue her and hence was injured during the clash. He fell on the foothills of what became known as Jatayupura. It is said in Ramayana that Jatayu narrated the event to Rama before breathing his last. The sculpture at Jatayu Earth Center, made at Jatayupura Hills, has been inspired by the Jatayu in Ramayana.
So we are back from Jatayu Earth Center and now we are heading towards Varkala, where we will have our lunch. It took us about 1 hour to visit the statue. After the lunch we will go to the villa. We will relax for some time. Later in the evening by around 3 or 4 o'clock we will head to the Kappil Beach, and we will also explore the North Cliff Beach in Varkala. Let's go.
Time is now 5:30. We relaxed for a bit after we came back from Jatayu, and now we are heading towards Kappil Beach. Kappil Beach is about 7.5 kilometers from where we are staying, so it's pretty nearby. We intend to reach Kappil Beach in about 15-20 minutes. So we have arrived at the Kappil Beach. As stated, this is about 7 kilometers from where we are staying, and this is on the Varkala Kochi road. This beach is very similar to the Marvante beach you see in Karnataka. There are hard rocks, the water, the beach on one side, and there is backwaters on the other side. So pretty similar to the Marvante beach what we have in Karnataka.
Kappil Beach is that kind of a place where you can go to listen the sounds of the waves and feel the strong sea breeze. This is a beach holiday destination at its simplest best. You can enjoy a relaxed time with your family and friends here. We would recommend to give it a visit the next time you are in this part of southern Kerala.
Whenever we get a chance, sitting at the shores, gazing at the ocean for hours is our best pastime. And I feel happy our pet has adapted well too. It just refreshes our mood without even realizing we create moments for life.
Today we decided to have our dinner at the Buddha Bar Cafe, which is just in the entrance of the Varkala Cliff Beach or the helipad road. ಏನಿದು?
This is avial. This is rice.
Well, I have ordered some squid butter garlic, and it's very delicious. You can also select your seafood just outside this restaurant, and the vibes of this place is amazing.